morning! Good morning! It's sunny day, Sunday. So ayun, gagala kami. Pupunta kami sa... Where are we going, my love?
We're going now to get some gasoline, petrol for the trip, and then we're going up the Wanganui River Road. We're going to go to a number of places beside the river, which we'll tell you about when we get there. Hopefully get as far as Jerusalem and Pipariki, and then head up to Radahi for the drive back down the main road to Wanganui. Yeah.
So yun guys, dun kami pupunta ngayon. Hey guys, so tingnan nyo, look at the view. Ilang beses na kaming nakakapunta dito, pero talagang pag nakita mo siya, nakaka-relax, so relaxing. So ayan, mamaya pupunta pa kami dun sa baba. Yan, may kalsada pa yan dyan, papunta doon. Papasukin pa namin lahat dyan. Yaang mga mountain na yan. Punta kami dyan mamaya. So yun. Ganda dito guys. Nag-stop lang kami at nag-photo si Papa. Ganda guys, oh. Yung puno, puting-puti na siya. Wala na siyang mga dahon. Hanggang doon sa baba. So, ganda lang tignan.
So the shells in the bank there protruding are like big oyster mussel shells.
Yeah.
Going back, I don't know, maybe 2 million years ago, when all of the land was underwater.
Oh my God.
Before the Ice Age.
So that high? So ganun kataas. Ganun kataas dati yung tubig dito.
Pero ito nilamot na.
Oo. Grabe kung i-imagine mo ha. So yun guys, nag-stop kami dito at may bahay dun sa baba. Ang sabi ni Papa, dati daw, mayor daw ang nakatira dyan. Tapos, papunta sa work, sumasakay lang siya ng cable car. So ayan, for sale na daw yan. Sino kaya titira dyan? Ano? Sino may gustong tumira dyan? So magpapalipad ng drone si Papa. Dito, nagpupulong-pulong, nagmi-meeting yung mga Maori na mga nakatira dito. Makarating nga kami dito dati. ayan. Oh. Ang ganda. Angel, halika dito. Oo nga. Lilipad-lipad. Ang ganda ng bahay nila. Iilan lang sila rito na bahay na nakatira. Ayan. Yan, masyado lang. Ganyan lang yung buhay nila. Hello! Hello!
You remember Laurie? When we came here last time, I think we went in and used your toilet.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Ayan. Pag may mga occasion sila, so dito sila nagpupunta.
This is the Tekamwana mill, established in 1854, and for 59 years wheat was milled here on the banks of the Wanganui River using the water wheel in the mill for grinding the flour. Let's go and have a look.
Flour milling. Kawa meal. May tao kaya dito? So, pipicturean lang ni Papa. Grabe ano? AD 1854. Grabe. Ayan o. 1854. My love.
Pwede ka pumasok.
Come on in. Welcome home.
Oh. Oh my God.
So that's the water wheel, which powered the grinding stone, I think, just above here. So we go up the steps here, we can have a look. Show you.
My love. It's 1854 pa ito.
Ilang dekada na yun?
Anong ilang dekada na?
Ilang century?
Sobra na. Oo, 18 eh. Ay. So dito oh my God. Ito guys, oh.
So that's the grinding stone, which went round and round. Pulled the wheat in here, it was ground into flour.
Yeah. Okay, my love, where are we now?
We're soon coming up to Jerusalem, Hiriharuma, which is the Maori name for Jerusalem.
Oh, lemon tree.
We're in Jerusalem, convent is behind. That's where Laurie's going to go. She's going to be a nun when she grows up to be a big girl.
Okay guys, nandito kami sa church. Ito may Mama Mary, Brother Jesus, Papa Jesus.
This here is Sister Suzanne Aubert. She was born in France in 1835, and in 1883 she came to Jerusalem here and was part of the group of sisters who looked after the whole area here. She died, I think, in 1926. And then I think it was about 5 years ago, after a very long process at the Vatican in Rome, she was made a saint. So I think she's New Zealand's only saint. So that's a bit of hagiography for you. Hagiography is the study of the saints.
Okay.
I first came through here in about 1965. I was about 6 years old. Came down here, drove down through here on the Wanganui River Road. And this place was famous back then.
Cutie cat, may visitor tayo. Cutie cat. Hello, hello. Prayer. Oh, I love the cat. I think you like to come with us. Mama Mary is here. Yeah. You wanna come with us? Guys, oh, sumasama-sama yung cat. Okay.
Tane, that's the Maori word for man.
Ah,
Okay, and on the other
Tane.
side there'll be wahine,
Rahini.
which is woman. Wahine.
Wahini. Ah. Oh, it's a toilet.
Okay.
So guys, ayan, bumaba na naman kami. Konting andar, baba. Konting andar, baba.
Now walk into the middle of the bridge and then look out.
Oh my God.
Room on the bridge if there's a car.
Naglakad daw kami dito sa bridge. Tapos may sasakyan, sinagasaan kami. May plano yata tayong tigukin nito eh. Hi guys.
Tapos 85 takbo dito ngayon.
Mag-ano kasi siya eh. Magda-drone. So, gusto niya rito lumakad sa bridge. Nakakatakot nga eh. Yan, paminsan-minsan lumalabas kami para mag-relax. Makakita ng nature. Yan. So guys, nandito pa rin kami sa loob ng kagubatan. At hindi pa rin kami nakakalabas. titignan mo lang yung nature niya. Maganda. Talagang very relaxing siya. Peaceful. Tahimik ang buhay. Pero, ayun. Medyo gusto ko pa rin sa city. Paminsan-minsan lang, okay lang yung ganito. Nag-driving, kita mo yung nature, kita mo yung lugar, maganda siya. Pero yun, pagdating ng gabi, sobrang lungkot na rin dito. Kung dito ka nakatira, wala na. Parang boring na yung buhay mo. Ayun guys, yung daan pa, sigsag-sigsag. Talagang para kaming nasa Baguio. Horse! 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 Ayan guys, may horse na tatlo sa daan. At umebs! Oh no! White, brown, and black horses. May lab. Oh my God! They poops.
Huwag na naman daanan.
Hey horses!
Hello.
Ang laki na.
Where are you going?
Laki kasi laki na.
Yeah. It's big. Oh my God, my love. Ayan, bye!
Ano yun? Walang may-ari yun.
Oh, meron. Naliligaw na rin. Naliligaw na yata yung horses. Kanina may nakita kaming kambing. Ang nakita kong kambing, black. Nakita rin ni Papa. Anong nag-fly naman ng drone si Papa, nakita niya white. Si Angel man, nakita niya brown.
Yun yun.
Oh.
Sinusundan tayo.
Yan, horse naman ngayon. Brown, black, and white din. Oh my God, mala! Nakakatakot. Guys, oh, minto kami dito. At kita yung Mount Tropeo. Nakikita nyo ba yung white na yon? Yung may white na yun siya. May snow! May snow siya. Nagpunta tayo dyan dati eh. Dun sa taas. Oh, ang ganda oh. Guys, oh. May mountain. Ayun, oh. Parang nakaibabaw na siya sa ulap. Yan. Pinipicturean niya. At nandito na kami sa paanan ng Mount Tropeo. Doon pala kami nagpunta sa kabilang side. Yung may skywalker doon. Doon pala kami. So, ito pala yung likod niya. Kabilang side naman niya. Ayan. Snow, snow. Gusto niya pang umakyat dun, no? Grabe.
Drive ka na.
Ayan guys, pababa na kami. Ito yun, nag-picture lang siya sa mga namin. Ayan o, kita niyo ba yan guys? May mountain dun sa taas na yun o, ng clouds. So ayan guys, magdi-dinner na kami. Lunch and dinner, magkasama na siya. Kay Papa, bolognese, spaghetti bolognese. Kay Angel, lasagna. Sa akin, grilled salmon. So yan ang aming dinner. Hi guys, pauwi pa lang kami. At eto, nandito pa rin kami sa highway. At road, ano kasi dito eh, may ginagawang daan, tapos meron siyang stoplight, wala nang sasakyan. Oh my God.
Uy, may papunta yan. Ito naman.
Yan, tingnan mo, ayun, buti may sasakyan sa likod. Ano
Patay
kang
mo naman.
masasamang tao yung mga nasa likod, ano?
Huwag mo namang isipin ganun.
Di, patay na tayo kasi naka-stop tayo dito. So ayun, may stoplight pa siya dyan, oh. Ayun, may parating nga. So, ayan, naka-stop kami.
Patay mo na yung ilaw. Oh, ang dami.
May dalawang padating na car.